Ever pondered the art of crafting the perfect French crepe? It's a skill that's both simple and intricate, much like a dance. But fear not, because today, we're going to break down the steps, one by one, so you can twirl and flip like a pro. Imagine the streets of Paris, where the scent of freshly cooked crepes wafts through the air, a tantalizing blend of butter, sugar, and a hint of vanilla. Our journey begins with gathering our ingredients. A basic crepe batter consists of only 4 items: flour, eggs, milk, and a little salt. Start by whisking together 1 cup of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a bowl. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs until they're frothy. Slowly add 1½ cups of milk to the eggs, stirring continuously. Then, gradually blend the egg mixture into the flour, whisking as you go to prevent any lumps. It's time to heat up your pan. A non-stick skillet works best for this. Pour in a small amount of batter, just enough to thinly coat the bottom of the pan. Then, the fun part begins. Tilt the pan in a circular motion, allowing the batter to spread evenly. Wait for the edges to turn golden brown, then flip the crepe and cook the other side. Repeat until you've used up all your batter. Voila! You've just made a stack of delicious golden French crepes, ready to be filled with your favorite sweet or savory ingredients. But let's take a moment to appreciate the art of crepe making. This simple pleasure, enjoyed across generations and continents, is the essence of what the Brooklyn-based company, Belgian Boys, is all about. They've captured the spirit of European-inspired snacks, and thanks to a recent investment from Daniel Lubetsky, founder of Kind Bars, they're set to bring that spirit to even more people. Belgian Boys has been operating for 7 years, bootstrapping their way to success. With this new investment, they're planning on expanding their team, supporting their retail and digital partners, and optimizing their operations. They've already made a significant impact, doubling their revenue over the past 2 years and increasing their distribution by 2,000 stores in 2021. But it's not just about crepes and profits. Belgian Boys is also committed to sustainability. They're launching upcycled products, offsetting their carbon footprint, and optimizing their packaging with recycled materials. They're on a mission to become a B Corp in the future. So the next time you're enjoying a homemade French crepe, remember the love and dedication that goes into every bite. From the streets of Paris to the kitchens of Brooklyn, the art of crepe making continues to bring joy and connection to people around the world. And who knows, maybe one day you'll find your crepes alongside the Belgian Boys on the shelves of your local grocery store. Until then, happy crepe making. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.